Hi guys, welcome again to Learn TWI, the fun way with TwiJunioPro. My name is Woasi, and for today's lesson we have two people that needed something translated. And the very first person that needed something translated was Pub. Pub, thanks again for your continued support. And these are the things that Pub wanted to know. The very first thing that Pub wanted to know was, next year we will do it all. Again, next year we will do it all. Now that in Twi can be said as, Afia yebesi muno, yebɛyɛ nyinaa. Again, Afia yebesi muno, yebɛyɛ nyinaa. One last time. Afia yebesi muno, yebɛyɛ nyinaa. Now the second thing that Pub wanted to know was, I am going next year. Again, I am going next year. Now that in Twi can be said as, Merekɔ afia yebesi muno. Again, Merekɔ afia yebesi muno. One last time. Merekɔ afia yebesi muno. Slower. Merekɔ afia yebesi muno. Now the next thing the Pub wanted to know was, they are coming later. Again, they are coming later. Now that in Twi can be said as, ɔmo beba ekyire. Again, ɔmo beba ekyire. One last time. Ɔmo beba ekyire. Slower. Ɔmo beba ekyire. Now the next thing the Pub wanted to know was, what color does it have? Again, what color does it have? Now that in Twi can be said as, Ahosuo bɛn na ɛwɔ. Again, Ahosuo bɛn na ɛwɔ. One last time. Ahosuo bɛn na ɛwɔ. Slower. Ahosuo bɛn na ɛwɔ. So if somebody goes Ahosuo in Twi, that literally translates as what difference? So in this case, to be color, right? So again, Ahosuo bɛn na ɛwɔ. Now the last thing that Pub wanted to know was, I don't know how to make it. Again, I don't know how to make it. Now that in Twi can be said as, Mennim sɛneɛ yeye no. Again, Mennim sɛneɛ yeye no. One last time. Mennim sɛneɛ yeye no. Slower. Mennim sɛneɛ yeye no. So if somebody goes Mennim, that means I don't know. Sɛneɛ is how. Yeye no is how to do that specific thing. So again, Mennim sɛneɛ yeye no. That's it for Pub. Pub, thanks again for your continued support. Now, the next person that needed something translated was Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your support. Remember, I can only accommodate 16 things, so I removed one thing from Daniel's translation, right? So these are the things that Daniel wanted to know. So the first thing that Daniel wanted to know was how to say, where did you get the shoes from? Again, where did you get the shoes from? Now, that in Twi can be said as, Wonyaa mpaboa no firii. Again, Wonyaa mpaboa no firii. One last time. Wonyaa mpaboa no firii. Slower. Wonyaa mpaboa no firii. So Wonyaa is where did you get the thing? Mpaboa is shoe. Firii is where from. And the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, he started it. Again, he started it. Now that in Twi can be said as, ɔno na ɔhyɛɛ aseɛ. Again, ɔno na ɔhyɛɛ aseɛ. One last time. Ɔno na ɔhyɛɛ aseɛ. Slower. Ɔno na ɔhyɛɛ aseɛ. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, why do you want to marry that side? Again, why do you want to marry that side? Now that in Twi can be said as, Adɛn nti na wopɛsɛ ware hɔ. Again, Adɛn nti na wopɛsɛ ware hɔ. One last time. Adɛn nti na wopɛsɛ ware hɔ. Slower. Adɛn nti na wopɛsɛ ware hɔ. So if somebody says Adɛn nti na, basically what they're saying is why. Now wopɛsɛ, why do you want to? Ware is marry. Ho is there, or that side. So again, Adɛn nti na wopɛsɛ ware hɔ. Now the next thing Daniel wanted to know was, so Daniel wanted to find out what that side is in Twi, or go that side, right? Now that side in Twi is ho. Again, that side in Twi is ho. One last time. That side in Twi is ho. Now go that side in Twi is kohonum. Again, kohonum. So go that side in Twi is kohonum. Kohonum. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, who do you think you're talking to? Again, who do you think you're talking to? Now that in Twi can be said as, Hwan na wodwen sɛ wone no kasa. Again, Hwan na wodwen sɛ wone no kasa. One last time. Hwan na wodwen sɛ wone no kasa. slower. Hwan na wodwen sɛ wo ne no kasa. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, get out of the way. Again, get out of the way. Now that in Twi can be said as Firi Kwan. Again, Firi Kwan. Slower. Firi Kwan. One last time. Firi Kwan. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, why are you in my way? Again, why are you in my way? Now that in Twi can be said as Adɛn na woasi me kwan. Again, Adɛn na woasi me kwan. One last time. Adɛn na woasi me kwan. Slower. Adɛn na woasi me kwan. So if somebody goes Adɛn is basically in English would be why. Now woasi, have you blocked? Me kwan is my way. So again, Adɛn na woasi me kwan. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, are you an idiot? Again, are you an idiot? Now that in Twi can be said literally in two ways. Well, there are a lot of ways that one can say it, but I'll only pick two ways. Now the very first way one can actually say that is, we are Jimmy for. Again, we are Jimmy for. Or one can say we are kwasia. Again, we are kwasia. So it's either we are Jimmy for or we are kwasia. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, so Daniel wanted to know how to say I am stressed or why are you stressed. Again, I am stressed or why are you stressed? Now that in Twi can be said as mahinhain. So I am stressed is mahinhain. Again, I am stressed is mahinhain. Again, one last time. I am stressed is mahinhain. Now, if somebody goes, why are you stressed? Now that in Twi can be said as Adɛn na wahinhain. Again, Adɛn na wahinhain. One last time. Adɛn na wahinhain. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, not again this year. Again, not again this year. Now that in Twi can be said as Enye bio afi. Again, Enye bio afi. One last time. Enye bio afi. Slower. Enye bio afi. Now the last thing that Daniel wanted to know was, either I am not taking it or take it and go. Right? So again, either I am not taking it or take it and go. Now I am not taking it in Twi is mimfa. Again, mimfa. Again, mimfa. One last time, mimfa. So I am not taking it in Twi is mimfa. Now take it and go in Twi is fanako. Again, fanako. One last time, fanako, which is take it and leave. Fanako. Guys, thanks again, Daniel. Thanks again for your continued support as always. Guys, that's it for this week's lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said last week, if you don't get any videos on a Monday, you'll get it on Tuesday because of work and other priorities. You get it the following day, right? Again, thanks again for your continued support. Please keep on spreading the word. Let anyone who wants to learn Twi or find out what Twi is about come to this channel. I hope when they go through it, they'll love it enough to actually subscribe and join the family, right? And remember, guys, if you love the content of the channel, right, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button and please click on the bell button for future notifications, right? And lastly, if you love Twi that much or you want to learn Twi even quicker, right, please go to Google Store. Please get the TwiJunioPro App. It's less than $1, literally speaking, right? With that and this channel, you learn Twi quicker. Guys, with lots of love from me, Kwesi. See you next week. Bye.